This is also a question that we often get, that who's the right person to participate in this bootcamp? I usually say we see three types of personas. Number one is a founder to be. You may be working somewhere, but you're exploring an idea that you might want to launch as a startup. So we see a lot of folks like that who come to the bootcamp, spend the 7 weeks building and testing out the technical feasibility of their idea. And a lot of them are technical, like developers, but a lot of them are also from business background. They might be product people, salespeople and such. But given that we support no-code approaches to implementation as well, we do see a lot of people like that. Definitely, we don't assume that you know coding, and our goal is to help you figure out the feasibility of whatever it is that is your startup idea. The second category that we see very often is companies or startups or whatever. Like, there is a product that is already in the market, it is doing things, and you're interested in adding a feature to it that is usually some sort of an agentic improvement to an existing product. We do see quite a bit of that, folks that are signed up by their company, or they might be a founder that has a product in the market and wants to make it better, etc. That's the second category of personas that we see. And lastly, of course, like all of us are like, wait, what does all of this mean for my career? We definitely see a lot of people who are interested in building essentially their skill set around building real agents. And the next part of this page, you can see a lot of the demo videos. We have, I think, around 30, 40 demo videos that you can watch from the previous cohorts. If you click on this here, it will bring you to the playlist with all the demo videos. So as you can see, there are around 30 projects that people have done, and we have their public demo videos available that you can watch. And as you can see, things don't end at the public demo. There will be a video that we publish on our YouTube channel. We have about 22,000 subscribers in our channel, but we also push that out on social media, tagging you so that you get more exposure and people can come your way.